You guys are on standard form. Notice it's not vertex form. There's no parentheses squared. This is ax squared plus bx plus c. This is in expanded form. You have an A, you have a B, and you have a C. There's no HK, so do not do opposite H follow K. There's no H, there's no K. Okay, so ABC. The way how you find or locate the vertex is using this formula. You have to use it. If you don't use it, your vertex is like trash, okay? You have to use that. Now, once you get that number, you're going to input, output for the y value to the vertex. So once you get this number, that's x. How do you find the y? You have to substitute that x into the given function or the given quadratic and solve for y. So everything else is the same. Everything else cleans up really nicely. If you're good at it, you're going to run right through. However, it's just the vertex that's the slow part because you have to do the minus b over 2a. Okay? You need a table of values to be doing that. Okay, so get off your phones. Don't copy someone else's work. Do it yourself. Okay, so here we go. First, find the vertex. So x is equal to minus b all over 2a. Notice instead of b, I put a space. Instead of a, I put a space holder, right? So we're now going to substitute, right? So all I did was take this ratio and I put spaces instead of the b and the a. Okay, what's the value of b? 8. What is the value of A? 2. So that's where these numbers, they come from the original function. You substitute them into the vertex formula, and now you clean it up. Negative 8 over 4, I get negative 2. Now that's half my vertex. I need to find the y value. But again, input, output. Take the negative 2, substitute it anywhere you see an x. So let's get a sheet of paper. Okay, can I keep going? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Oh, you can see all the other work. Hold on, let's cheat here. I don't need that much paper, that's fine. Okay, so here we go. If x is negative 2, I'm going to substitute negative 2 into this quadratic, right? This trinomial, right? Okay, so remember, you're going to let x equal negative 2 because of input, output, right? So you're going to plug in negative 2 wherever you see an x. All right, so if I write in the negative 2, we're going to solve it by hand, and then we're also going to put it into the calculator. So, but let's solve it by hand. Obviously, when you guys are taking quizzes or tests, you want to be able to use the calculator because, right, minutes. All right, so here we go. What should I do first in terms of order of operations? Which is what? Which one? What part?
The 2, negative 2, and then the 8, negative 2.
Yes, but okay, so from here, what am I, and if you get it wrong, it's okay, kind of. Okay, what should I do first exactly? Order of operation, guys, it is
the exponent.
Very good. Good job, Bo. It's that exponent. I know you guys have parentheses, but you have this, if say there was an addition inside, you would do that first. You have to get this squared first. You cannot multiply because multiply is in the third position. So you get 2, negative 2 squared is positive 4, negative 16 plus 5. Yeah? Okay, and then now this is no problem. You guys are great with this. And then this. And obviously we're going to get to the calculator. So So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to plug in -3 here. That is my vertex. Now, just for calculator use, what you see is what you type. So, 2, -2 squared plus 8, -2 plus 5. Right? Hit equal. There's your -3. Now, if you save the screen, we're going to use it in a second. Turn around, I'm recording. Okay, so here we go. Now you're at your table, just because I'll pretty much stop this. Okay, here's your -2, here's your -3. Remember, your vertex goes in the 3rd slot. You're now going to have to build your x side. You're going to go 1 up, 1 down, 2 up, 2 down. So what number do you want at the top? You want the 0?
Yeah.
Okay. -1, -3, -4. By the way, if you have -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, it's fine. It's the same. Okay? It's just preference. All right. Now, they're going to have the same output y value. Okay, if you didn't clear your screen, you can just go ahead and, change the -2. I'm just making sure it's right. Yeah, and so you get 5. Do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. And then when you want your -1 substituted, if you and your partner both need to press these, oops, don't do that. Both need to press the buttons. Because remember, you're going to do eventually an individual test. You have to know how to punch. Like, is it the subtraction or is it the negative? Like, you got to build your memory off of the calculator. Okay? So you hit enter -1, -1. Okay, you guys will go ahead and plot these. Oh yeah, you can put the vertex here. I know x is equal to -2, but then the vertex is here. All right, let's just go through these just to make sure you guys are okay with it. I know the video is going to be kind of long, so sorry. All right, are you guys okay? Keep going?
Yeah.
All right, what's your a value here?
2.
Is that number positive or negative? Positive. So is it concave up or down? Up. So it's going to look like this. Okay, your vertex means that it's this point here. So does that mean, is it a max or min?
Min.
Min, very good. So min, and so min value, right? The minimum point is always the vertex. So what do I write here?
-2, -3.
Perfect. Okay, what's my minimum value?
-2.
50-50. It's the K.
Oh.
So what is it?
So -5.
Oh, the K. Why am I doing the K? We're not doing, sorry. It's the Y value of your vertex. Sorry, that was my fault. -3. Yeah, sorry, guys.
That's what I meant.
I know, I just leave it to me. Okay,
So the vertex-
-3, -3. It's the Y value to your vertex.
So the
Y.
vertex is -2, -3.
Yeah. It's the Y value of the vertex. Okay. Oh, here it is. I was like, where's my vertex? I wrote it here. I didn't realize it was at the very, very bottom. All right, you guys can go ahead and plot it, but there's something at the very, very bottom that we want to look at. Yeah? Can I go to it? Okay, for this one, the shifting, my horizontal shift is the 8 is the x value to your vertex. So remember, here my vertex is -2, -3. Horizontal is the x axis. Vertical is the Y. So what would be my horizontal shift here? Left 2. Perfect. And what's my vertical? Perfect. Down 3. And then you guys can plot. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, can I end the video? Okay, but are you guys still copying or no?
No, I'm good.
Okay, because it clears off, it goes to the beginning of the video, which is everything goes away, but then it'll come back up if I go back to video. So I can hear that in my videos.
Right, it's like I have a bug bite, so I just need to keep smacking it.
Okay, let's close the video.